Hurricanes. What was the biggest hurricane in the history? What are some of the warning signs of a hurricane? Where do hurricane occurs most? To become aware of the hurricanes and its safety measures, subscribe to We Make Aware. What is the hurricane? A hurricane is a type of storm called a tropical cyclone which forms over tropical or subtropical waters. When a storm's maximum sustained winds reach 74 miles per hour, it is called a hurricane. The Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale is a 1 to 5 rating or category based on hurricanes' maximum sustained winds. How do hurricanes start? Hurricanes begin as a tropical storms over the warm moist waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans near the equator. As the moisture evaporates, it rises until enormous amount of heated moist air are twisted high in the atmosphere. What is the biggest hurricane in the history? The Great Galveston Hurricane of 1900. The Great Galveston Hurricane of 1900 was the deadliest of the hurricane to ever hit the United States. Estimates of the number of lives lost range between 8,000 to 12,000 people. How long does hurricanes last? A typical hurricane lasts anywhere from 12 to 24 hours, but a hurricane can sustain itself for as long as a month, as Hurricane John did in 1994. If a hurricane or other natural disaster is headed your way, make sure you prepare for the worst of your life. Where do most hurricanes occur? Hurricanes occur most in the United States of America. Here are the top 4 places where hurricanes occur in the United States. Number 1, Florida with 120 hurricanes. Number 2, Texas with 64 hurricanes. Number 3, North Carolina with 55 hurricanes, and the last, number 4, Louisiana with 54 hurricanes. What are the safety measures at home during a hurricane? Number 1, stay inside and away from windows, skylights and glass doors. Number 2, find a safe area in the home, an interior room, a coolest on a lower level. Number 3, if flooding threatens at home, turn off electricity at the main breaker. What are some of the warning signs of a hurricane? The warning signs of a hurricane are strong winds, dark clouds, blowing debris, and sea level starts to rise. Barometer starts to drop. Cirrus clouds start to appear, roaring noises, and waves start to form whitecaps. You can turn to your local weather channel or radio. What is a Category 7 hurricane? A fictional Category 7 hurricane at peak intensity. A Category 7 is a hypothetical rating beyond the maximum rating of a Category 5. A storm of this magnitude would most likely to have winds between 215 and 240 miles per hour.